I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall.
Hey y'all, so pissed. Uploaded a vlog yet to do a short vlog for my TikTok, and I need to do a YouTube vlog. So hey y'all, I'm just picking up the camera. I've had a very rough day today. Today is my off day. Today is Wednesday. Yes, let me tell you about my day. So I didn't feel like doing anything today because I'm off. I work so much on like Wednesdays and Sundays. So I really didn't want to do anything today. There's so much to do today, like for it's like my car. My daughter had went to a color run, so I still got like paint and shit in my back seat. Like I have a portable like carpet cleaner that your child was gonna get in the car with all this paint on them. Anyway, luckily, good thing is I need to clean up my car anyway. I miss having a man, so I don't have to worry about that. So on top of worrying about everything else, so ghetto being single. On top of worrying about everything else, now I gotta worry about this fucking car. The guy who did my nails this time, he did such a good job. And I didn't want no short nails because I don't like short nails. These are probably just gonna be temporary. When it's time for me to get a fill in, I'm probably gonna go back long. I just did the short nails just to kind of get my manager out of my face. Like, so these are the nails, and they're definitely short, y'all. Y'all know I like long nails. These are short to me. They said these are medium. Y'all like the little black outline? I love it. It's like probably 2 or 3 fill-ins. Two fill-ins. Like I'll go back and probably when it's time to get a fill-in, get something else. Then maybe I'll do that one more time, and then after that I'm going back to my long nails. But I do like them. TikTok, I do have this playlist where I just show like the different nails, but all of the nail designs, baby, I don't let nobody come up with my nail design. I come up with my own nail designs, and they just adorable. Because they so classy. It's so simple. Yeah, I hope I can get a vlog out very soon. I hope you guys miss me like how I miss you. Pink hearts in the chat if you miss your girl. Hello. But yeah, follow me all on social media platforms, y'all. If you're on this platform, please like, comment, and subscribe. I am not monetized yet, but I love YouTube. So anyway, yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while, but I hope to get back in the groove of that, you know. Like, but let me go in here and y'all, this is what I was telling you about the picture. Hold on. Y'all. Upside down. I can just edit it though. It's cute. I know y'all see the LV over there. Look at it. It's so dope.
I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. Made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. not that I don't want you here.
I'm from the creeks, we got a whole lot of creeks, you got a whole lot of creeks, and I wanna see what you do.
Sleepless nights and lonely days are all that fill my head all the time. Oh, baby, but